Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to edit or customize margins in Google Docs. Super easy and quick. First of all, open the Google Docs and simply open your documents. As you can see, I have already opened my document. Now to change the margin, first of all go to the page setup. As you can see at the top, you will see the option called File and over to the option called Page Setup. Simply click it. After clicking here, you can set your document as portrait mode or landscape mode as you wish. You can also change the color of your page and change the size of your paper whichever you want, in the letter form or legal form, statement form as you wish, or you can also change it to A4 size paper. How to change the margin? As you can see here, you will see the option called margins and it is in inches. To change it, simply delete it and you can simply change it however you want, and simply after you have done, simply hit apply by clicking on OK. And as you can see, your page or your document margins has been set, and you just like that your document will update with new margin. As you can see, to make it your default for future document, click set as default before hitting OK and you are good to go. And that's how you edit margins in Google Docs. If this helps, hit like, subscribe and comment what you want to learn next, and I'll see you in the next one.